Meet the giraffe, Earth's towering wonders at 18 feet. Their iconic long necks, with 45 centimeters tongues, reach for high branches, making each giraffe as unique as a fingerprint. Don't be fooled by their gentle appearance. Giraffes, with powerful legs, boast big hearts weighing up to 25 pounds, efficiently pumping blood through those long necks. In social towers, giraffes communicate using infrasound, sprinting up to 35 miles per hour. Newborn giraffes, or calves, are born standing after a 6-foot drop. These thorny connoisseurs primarily feast on acacia leaves with distinctive spot patterns. Each giraffe stands alone in its uniqueness. Fun fact: giraffes only need 5 to 30 minutes of sleep a day, often in short naps.